Class is about an easy way to create a multi-device mock-up generator. So a lot of times when you're selling a course or creating a course or even selling a book, but you're wanting to show that that book is going to be available as a Kindle or a PDF download or whatever. So this company is called Texini, and if you go to Texini and go to this one that says multi-device, you get this cool, okay, very cool look of a Mac and a MacBook and an iPad and an iPhone. So don't get hung up on, oh well, my users might only use Dell or HP. This is just for marketing purposes, right? So it doesn't matter. And the cool thing that you do is you just put in a website and it will pull images from that website. So I'll do a couple of different ways. So I could go to my main website. Now I've been having problems with my main website, so let's see if it will actually pull in any images for my main website. Drum roll, please. My internet is real slow. This takes a little bit of time. It's a working on it. As you can see right now, if you went to my website right now, it would load slow like that. But it loaded. It loaded my website. And what's fun is you can actually, it within this square, I don't know how they do it, but they are actually loading the website. So I can say, okay, I want that big one to show my website. I might want this one to show one of my other pages. And so I could click that and show something else about my website or about me that I wanted them to see. Okay? So, it can show all of these different things. Now, if you're on Chrome, you can just click take a screenshot. I'm not on Chrome. I don't have Chrome, so I've got a Mac, but I don't run Chrome, so I'm just doing a screen capture of that. And so it took took a picture. I took the picture, and now I can use that. Okay, so it's a cool way to get this. The main thing is that it is pulling images. It's pulling a website in there. So if you wanted, let's say you were promoting a book and you wanted the book to show on all these devices because it was a Kindle book, you would need to have a page on your website, or even, let's try this. I should have tried this before, but okay. I've changed to go to my direct link for a book that I would want to promote, so I can generate. I was afraid of that. They aren't going to let me generate from. Okay, not going to let me generate from Amazon. So I would need to go to my website and have a page already on there for the book. Last time when I did this for a book, I couldn't remember what I did, and that is what I had to do. But you could use the same concept if you've got a page on your website or in your classroom that you're building and you want folks to see what all you offer, you could do it that way as well. So, for instance, I can go over to my classroom area where you're watching this class possibly, and I can show my area. I can move things around. I can scroll. I could actually click to something. Whoops. Now, the one thing about it is if you click something wrong that you don't want it to go to, I didn't mean to go to the pay button, but anyway, you do have to kind of just start all over and type in there and hit generate mockup so that it will do it again. But nonetheless, you can create this mockup. It's really cool. I like doing it. It's easy. It's an easy way to do this if you don't have a lot of tech skills or just don't want to take the time. Maybe you have the tech skills, but you don't want to take the time to learn the new stuff. That's how you do it. All right. I hope that proved helpful for you.